Hey Capricorn, EverlongMystic here. So, we're gonna see if you would survive a zombie apocalypse. Alright, so this reading is just for fun. I felt like I had a few extra days to squeeze in another series for spooky season. So, we've got 4 categories here. And I got the 4 categories from the movie Zombieland. They're supposed to be the rules for the zombie apocalypse. Well, some of them. I think there's like 50, but I just picked 4 that were important. All right, so Capricorn, how's your cardio? Cardio is super important to run away from the zombies. All right. Cardio. Knight of Pentacles, the slowest knight in the deck. Not looking good. Not looking good. Then we have 4 of Wands. So not only are you not very fast, but you're just looking to party. So this seems like there's I don't know if this is ego or what, but it's giving me the impression that it's not going to happen to me. And then we have the Lovers here. So you're like, no, I need somebody's help. So yeah, you're not really winning here in the cardio department, but that's okay. We've got 3 other sections here, so. Okay, so you're really needing someone to, like, someone's help. You know, like you don't want to. You're not much of a runner, but you need a buddy. So we're gonna look at the buddy system. This is your partner. This is your partner for the zombie apocalypse. Either you choose this partner, or you just happen upon this person, or they fall straight into your lap. Who knows? So Capricorn's partner. Not taking the pop out. Queen of Pentacles. All right, so probably a female partner here, but also not very fast. Don't expect them to be behind you or about, faster than you. But they're smart, and they know they know how to make a plan. Queen of Wands. You have 2 queens here. Again with the female energy here, but this Queen of Wands, she can kick ass and take names. So you've got a very strong woman here, her feminine energy here, that is really I want to say an asset. Strength. I mean, come on. Okay, yeah, you're like no wonder you want your partner so bad. It's like a power couple, man. The 2 of you together seem invincible. All right, Capricorn. Double tap. So this is weapons. So what weapon are you using? Are you proficient with it? Is it effective? Does it get the job done? And don't feel bad about the cardio thing, because not very many signs excelled in the cardio, except the fire signs. The Emperor. Wow. Okay, so Capricorn, you probably have an arsenal, okay? A complete arsenal at your disposal. Lucky you. Yeah, you're not worried in the slightest about your weapon situation. Yeah, you got a stash. Four of Pentacles. You've been hoarding weapons. I mean, okay, extreme win on the double tap. Okay, so Capricorn, buckle up. How creative are you? This is like a creative response to an immediate problem, like thinking on your feet, but like extremely creatively, like on the fly, right? Because buckle up is like the example I think from the movie is like there's a zombie in your car, so you put on the seat belt. Zombies don't wear seat belts, and you crash into a tree, and the zombie flies out, and you're safe. You know, creative solution, problem solved. All right, creative solution, Capricorn. Well, we have Eight of Cups. That's kind of like knowing when the plan is garbage. There's a disagreement here. We have the Five of Wands, which you would think a wand would be good in the buckle up category, but this is this is a bunch of arguing over the best way to do something. So you've got like walking away, you've got arguing over how to do something. That's to your detriment, because while that's happening, like things are going wrong. Solutions are not being had. When in doubt, blow it all up. Okay, so we have the Tower here. Seems a little bit extreme. It kind of worked for was it Scorpio? I think it kind of worked for Scorpio, but not so much for you, Capricorn. This feels disorganized and inefficient. So I'm gonna give you a fail on the buckle up. So kind of like Taurus, we're looking at a 50-50 here. We're looking at a 50-50. So where's your weakest? So I kind of want to say this buckle up, you can improve on this. You can improve on this. So eliminate some of the chaos, too many cooks in the kitchen. Just, remember, it's like, someone's got to be in charge. How about the two of you? You know what I mean? Just keep it at that. And you'll have better odds. All right. And remember, this reading was just for fun. So thanks for being here. I'll see you next time. Bye.